To create the monster's teeth, choose the circle stack shape from your toolbar and hold down on Shift to keep it in proportion. Then use Command J to duplicate the circle and place those circles across the mouth. I'm focusing on lining up the bottom of the teeth carefully and will take care of the top in an upcoming step. Let's attach the teeth together. Select all of the teeth with your cursor and then head up to the Context toolbar and select the Add button. This adds all of the shape together and gets rid of the lines in between, conjoining separate circles to become one shape. It also converts these lines to a curve, and as you can see, we now have nodes along the line, which we can modify. Next, let's work on the mouth. Uncheck your teeth to hide them until later. With the stack shape, draw an ellipse and convert it to curves. That way we can adjust the nodes. Move the nodes, add in extra nodes, change the length of a line segment using the handlebars to get the proper shape of the mouth, and make any other adjustments. And then name it in your layers palette. Now let's clean up the top of the teeth. To do this, we're going to do a little trick. We're going to make a copy of the mouth by hitting Command J, and then we'll name it. Next, we're going to turn your teeth layer back on so they're visible, and put your mouth copy over the teeth layer in the layers palette. The copy of the mouth will cut off the extra stuff on the top of the teeth. Hold down on Shift and select both the layers, the mouth copy and the teeth, and then go up to the Context toolbar and hit Intersect. Check out what it does. This leaves us with more accurate teeth that just need a little bit of cleaning up. Go through and delete extra nodes or nodes that seem out of place, and replace nodes back to make a more accurate line. To make the outer mouth, you can copy the inner mouth and stretch it. Then use your ellipse tool to make the true lines. Select all three shapes, hit Add, and then go in with your node tool and clean up the line. Now we're moving on to the last detail we will do with the mouth, that inner blue lip line. Again, make a copy of the mouth, drool and all, and then go ahead and shrink the size. Change the stroke color if it helps you to see what you are doing more clearly. And you know what's next. Make adjustments using the node tool. When complete, uncheck the monster background to see your results of the mouth. If there are any strange gaps, like mine has, go back through and clean those up too. Now you can go back through and use what you've learned in this tutorial to make the belly, inner belly line, the eyes, and any other spots you may have missed on the outline before. When you're complete the entire monster outline, add color, gradient, and texture.